Hey, our read aloud for today is Cowboy and Octopus by John Saiska. To my best pal, Octopus, from Cowboy.
To my good friend Cowboy, from Octopus.
Cowboy meets Octopus. Cowboy is confused. This dang thing's always broke.
Hello,
says Octopus.
I think I can help. You get on that side, and I'll get on this side.
Yee-haw, says Cowboy. You fixed it. Octopus says,
Some things were better with a friend.
You want to be friends? Says Cowboy.
Certainly,
says Octopus. So Cowboy and Octopus shake hands, and 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 shake hands. 8 times. Help. Octopus needs help, so he calls his friend Cowboy.
I have to hold all this together, then hammer this in,
says Octopus.
When I nod my head, you hit it, okay?
Sounds loco to me, says Cowboy, but okay. Octopus holds everything together. Octopus nods his head.
Bam!
Cowboy hits it. Need any more help? Says Cowboy.
No,
says Octopus.
Sometimes help from a friend isn't the best help.
Chow time. Cowboy decides to surprise Octopus and make him dinner. Octopus is definitely surprised.
Heavens,
says Octopus.
What is this?
I cooked all my favorites just for you, says Cowboy. Beans and bacon, bacon and beans, and just plain beans with a little bit of bacon.
Oh my,
says Octopus. Octopus doesn't like beans. He doesn't like bacon. But he does like it that Cowboy has worked so hard just for him. Octopus licks one bean. Says Octopus.
I am so full.
Cowboy smiles. He's glad his friend likes his surprise. Wait till you see what's for dessert, says Cowboy. Octopus says,
I bet I can guess.
Got a little bean dessert right there. Very scary.
Do you like my Halloween costume?
Says Octopus. What are you? Says Cowboy. Octopus says,
I am a shark.
Oh yeah, says Cowboy. Now I see your little shark thing.
It's not very scary, is it?
Says Octopus. Cowboy says, nope.
I'm going back to my first idea, says
Octopus. Whoa, what the heck are you? Says Cowboy. Octopus says,
I am the Tooth Fairy.
Now that's scary, says Cowboy. Very scary. Beautiful day.
Isn't it a beautiful day? Says Octopus.
Says Octopus. Definitely wet and rainy. Cowboy says, no it ain't. Who's there?
Knock, knock.
says Octopus. Cowboy opens the door. Nobody there,
No, no,
says Octopus.
you say, who's there?
Ain't nobody there, says Cowboy.
I know,
Says Octopus.
it's a joke.
Cowboy thinks for a second. Well, dang, it's not a very funny joke. Octopus laughs.
No, Cowboy, the joke comes after you say who's there.
Okay, says Cowboy. Who's there? Octopus says,
Lettuce.
lettuce, says Cowboy. That's crazy talk. Lettuce can't knock on a door. Cowboy laughs. That is a great joke, Octopus. Octopus laughs too. Telling Cowboy a knock-knock joke didn't work out so well, but a lettuce knocking on a door is pretty dang funny. That's the truth. Do you like my new hat? Says Cowboy.
Wow,
Says Octopus.
that is really, different. Do you like my new hat?
Cowboy says, nope.
Hey,
Says Octopus.
I said something nice to you. Why don't you say something nice to me? I thought we were friends.
We are friends, says Cowboy. And that's why I'm telling you, your new hat looks like something my horse dropped behind him. 'Cause that's the truth. Adios, amigos.